So hi, my name is Lani and I'm from Ottawa, Canada.
Hi, my name is Lyla. I am from Texas in the United States.
So I've been playing around with websites and content management systems for a few years now in one form or another. So last year in 2021, I decided to make a conscious effort to move into digital marketing.
I have been doing account management for small businesses this past year. In 2021, I decided to take a course for digital marketing and implementing those skills for 2 small businesses.
So currently SEO, along with keyword research, competitor research, and market research are the areas that I've really developed a keen interest in. However, I enjoy learning and trying all kinds of new things, including the various tools, tactics, strategies, and more for digital marketing that are out there.
I currently work in a paid search agency doing keyword research and Google Analytics. I love that the digital marketing industry is dynamic and that there's something new to learn every day.
So as we both learn more about different tools, tactics, and strategies, we will be sharing them with you on this channel.
Hopefully this will help you with your journey in digital marketing, and perhaps you can help us learn along the way too.
So thank you for watching, and we hope you will subscribe and join us on our digital marketing journey.